It is Sunday. I never get to do no cooking video. I did cook, but I never get to record it because when I know me and the girls them there. And mommy there now. She never there all along, but she reach. Them I watch movie. She don't want to show up on camera. And me look really rough. But just know that me not bathe nor nothing yet. So they're not gonna always see me cute. Mommy, what you want from me first?
Boy.
Boy? One boy too. Too much girl.
You know, gray hair.
No, I don't grow my son here as he start talking me a true me. Oh, I don't know that I have a brother. I have two brothers. But enough people don't know that you have a boy. If you want to know him look like, my mother. Dead stamp for my mother, them a twin. In the overseas trying my baby, that's why. You want it to look like that?
Yeah.
I can't wait for them and second down and go baby. See them the baby, look. Right? Give me them. And take some of my ear from mommy for me. Or hold them here. So I'm going to just put it in a 4 and then twist the end with some mousse. So I need to pull out everything. I will use the good old Blue Magic. From my little missy mommy, I use them earlier. Remember mommy? Where next one here? Purely. So you can make it hang down like this, or we can wrap it round. No, wrap it round? Want it to wear hang down?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Of course we do.
Now I get something for tell you. Alright, your turn, Evan. Sit down. Guys, I'm gonna try a thing with Evan here right now. Right? Diana,
Yeah.
pass my phone, give me, please.
Yes, sir.
Pass my phone, give me. Just go with the alcohol. Okay, good. Alright, I got bed right now and just get something new. Lies. I'm not gonna bed it. Now wait until mommy them leave for bed. Soaking the last little moment before them leave. But that's that.
Your best sister and I were.
Oh, thank you. I gonna miss you.
We don't want to leave you because you always take care of me.
Guys, I'm excited. Anyways, I don't want to get too excited because I don't want to be disappointed. I have few stuff I want to talk to you about. So while me I cook, we're going to just get into it. And the menu for today is saltfish. Boil it, wash it and pick it up. I have some cabbage, pak choy, and I went ahead and need some flour. I always prep before I start recording so work can be much easier and we can just glide through the video. Anyways, because I never get to do no cooking in Sunday's vlog, even though I didn't, a matter of fact, I don't record not much Sunday. Just comb the kids them here. Sunday was a full day. We'd have to wash them here, comb them here. I end up help Diana with homework. And then I go soak in the little time with them before them leave. And of course my ball. I don't know, I just not like when them have to go from around me. Worse than me alone did there. Because as you know, Jason are there. Anyways, yeah, so that we're going to whip up today. And we're going to just chit chat and, you know, cook and go and reason. No. I feel as if Jason is coming home today, but I'm not sure. I don't really want to get my hopes up, you know, because I don't want to be disappointed. I'm working on one new project, guys, so I can look out for that. That one here are going to be so good. It's so emotional, guys. Please look out for it. I'm going to keep on a reminder now until it's ready for drop. Anyways, feel like I'm going to come home today, you know, but I don't want to get too excited. The video that I did, that I uploaded yesterday, the comment section turn off, I should think it's because the kids them in it. I don't know how YouTube always a try to protect the kids them. I know say it probably did annoying because I don't love to be watching a video and the comment section off because you know everybody read comments for a living. But me never delete it because me say no, I'm just giving them, I couldn't watch it and just have a laugh because it was really funny. I enjoyed making that video, so yeah. I don't think that's gonna be a problem again. Well, only when I involve the kids them on the channel. Like for the entire video, it's about them. So that's why the comment section they turn off. Anyways, I'm gonna start the food. But as me, I feel like just now come home to them. I don't really want to get too excited. But me still prepare myself. I understand, prepare myself. From Jason leave, guys, let me tell you the truth. In the house is a big t-shirt and my underwear. TMI, but I threw with it. I just look fling down because I'm me alone there. So I could see. If him come today, he might gonna be excited for what I cook for dinner and the juice I make. But if him not come, I would be so disappointed. Anyways, I could see. If him not come, we share the food. Me and Uno we eat it. But if him come, I have to go share or not. That just sounds really bad. Anyways, I put some. But do you think it's tough? Somebody just turn it down. It's a melt. The place not so really cold. It still have little. The video looks so exposed. Well, the white stuff them in the video. But yeah, it. What me I say? Anyways, thank you guys for keeping my company. I really love and appreciate you. Trust me. Love you guys so much. I love this what I do. Watch out. Let me tell you guys, we're gonna turn off the stove because I'm gonna cut up no season. Only thing I do, I wash the season and put them up. My. See it here? So I could just cut them up real quick and get back into the video. I turn down the fire so it should be good. Guys, I mixed one. Wait, I have to go take it out. Oh no, did he just want to separate? So I have some purple onion, the white onion, scallion, not scallion, I don't have any scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, sweet pepper and tomato. So when I do little, you could get me eat them or something, you know? Especially tomato. I never love tomato in my food. Oh, sorry guys. Alright. I'm going to cover it up. Alright. Oh, but I eat this alone right now. Not see that nobody want to add in the vegetable. Normally when I do cabbage and pak choy, I don't really put saltfish in it, you know. I just feel like I want it with saltfish today. So I'm going to season that up with some complete seasoning. This is really good. The only thing it's not salty, but you don't know the saltfish salt, so alright. I'm gonna add a little black pepper, not too much. I don't have any Maggi, hence why I'm not add none. Cover that up for a bit and then I add in the vegetable. So we're gonna add in the veggie. And we're not gonna add no water to this because it's gonna spring its own water. Add some butter. It's a lot. What's this? So I'm going to cover this up and make it steam. No, I didn't add any salt to this because the saltfish already salt. And I did add a piece of butter, and butter normally salt. So that's that. Let me check on this. Ooh. I don't want it too soft, I want it a little bit crunchy. Add some salt to this. That's enough. Alright guys, so now that's under control. We're going to work on these. I'm going to have sweet potato, yellow yam, and dasheen. Anyways, remember me this one some one reason? Make we talk while me do this. So come. So I just want to share some stuff because sometimes when you put up one video and you edit it, editing can make one video look like fairy tale, and my life not nowhere near in a fairy tale business. This is my reality. I just want to share it with you, and I want to be honest as possible because sometimes I eat alone. I go up on the road by myself. I can't just sit down and wait until Jason is back for me get stuff done. So I don't think them stuff they show on my channel, or if it's show, I don't think it's obvious because what if time the yam here not look like it good enough. I trust it. I feel as if when a video is edited, it kinda look like you edit it to make it look one particular way, and sometimes when video edited it kinda look like, you know, fairy tale, or it just look magical, like wow, that is so easy. No man, your life easy man, nothing hard about that, da 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 da. And trust me, it's a lot of work behind the videos that you guys get the final product. Just like me, you know, I come in the kitchen for cook, when you see the cabbage cut up, the pak choy, flour need, saltfish pick up. Remember, I had to boil the saltfish, boil it twice at that, boil it through off the water and boil it again. Me have to wash the vegetable, make it soak in the water because worm in it. Believe it or not, worm in the vegetable them. And me have to knead the flour, and then after I finish, me have to clean up at the area, and then, you know, make myself look presentable, and then me come and take up the camera. But you guys don't see that. When you get the final product, when you get the nice part, the part where gonna make your mind relax when you now watch it. Now going back to what I was saying, I'm not always. Wait there, hold on there, guys. Me and Jason are always the home. Sometimes I am home by myself, like a week or so, or for the entire day. You see the work what Jason do, like for giving her the movie, guys, and another little easy work. A whole heap of work put into it. Sometimes Jason will record from like 6 a.m. go to 12 o'clock. From 7 a.m. to 10 o'clock. It's a whole lot of back and forth, especially when him choose like a certain place to record, when he want a certain look. Sometimes it's far from home. Sometimes I go work with him, so if I don't put up one video, I will there with him, I hold light for him, I will hold something for him. Right? But you guys don't see that, and I feel like it's just right for me to tell you now. Next thing, me not always eat with Jason enough time. When we say like we sit down on the table and we eat, when we get the moment for that, we soak it in as much as possible. We love to eat together, but it not always be like that. Some days me just eat, make my food digest, and go and drop asleep. And then when me look babe come in, him ready for film dinner, and then him go bed and come sleep. Me start sleep before him. It's not no fairy tale business, guys. We don't always do everything together. Jason not always able to carry me up on the road to get something done. Listen to me, one thing is a real girl. I know for anger myself. Like, I know for go jump in one taxi, jump on one bus and them stuff there. This don't make that fierce here fool, you know. So some days Jason have to go work. He have to get up early, 6 o'clock. I make all tea, he have to just support 2 sup and gone, leave it. You get me? Sometimes I have to go up on the road 10 o'clock, I have to leave out 8 o'clock. I have time to go on because what am I going to do? Say, no baby, you have to wait until 10 o'clock to carry me and drop me off. But I don't think I share that part of my life much. Hence why I'm sharing it. And also, every time I say this, I feel as if people look upon it wrong. I don't make myself dependent on Jason. I can depend on him, and that's the best part. I have a partner who I can depend on, but I no practice for depend on him. I learn how to move around by myself and get my things them done. If you get what I say, you know. So, yeah. So while I did the woman one, I was just thinking about a lot of stuff. You know, every little thing. I'm just say, you know what? Me I got in another video here, I got really stop for share with you and make you know say this is a part of it. I do be home by myself. Some days I come in late. Some days Jason come in late. Some days Jason eat alone. Some days me eat alone. Not to mention some days me have to share the food, put it in a covered dish and set the food in the microwave because guess what? Just reach home me asleep. Because who want to make it in a life and not easy. So we can't each up behind each other. It feels good. We can't be behind a girlfriend and it feels good we can't be behind a boyfriend, but we have to get things done. Because even if me never come on the channel come tell them now say Jason are there, I could have really just done here a cook. I talk to them normal and I don't know if Jason there or not. The truth is I love my alone time as well. Now go on like so when Jason leave, I don't miss him because right now I really miss him and would love if he come home tonight like. But I not go call him and rush him because I know what he's doing and I know how much it have a benefit. You know, we for the future and stuff like that, and you get what I say? So I not go call him and make him feel pressured. I say, oh baby, I miss to come home. No, I don't do that. I'm not that type of girlfriend. Sometimes I worry about it if sometimes I'm lackadaisical with certain stuff. I don't want to put this. I don't want to put that in a. I don't want to put that topic in this conversation now. But I do worry about it sometimes. When I say, am I too? What's the word? Would it be nonchalant? Well, I couldn't know because I'm here telling about me. I'm not fussy. I'm not a fussy girlfriend. So my head will chip, you know. Let me just say that because I feel like a lot of people underestimate me. Okay? Now that's out of the way. Sometimes I worry about it. Sometimes I say, am I too unbothered? Certain things will fly over my head like, will I not realize this? Will I not pick up on this? I don't know. Anyways, we could go put the food in the pot. So we have dashi, sweet potato, pumpkin. I'm not worry use none of the yellow yam because it's not good. So I'm gonna add in the dashi, because dashi take a longer time to cook than everything else. Alright guys, so I make the dumpling now. But then I have to add a little bit more flour to this because it was sticky. Still a little bit sticky, but it's manageable. Can't bother. Them not gonna come out looking too nice. Anyways, it's not for beauty, it's for duty. I lie. When me I cook, I take pride in all the stuff them look, in all the season cut up, the shape, depending on the meal. But yeah, guys, when me did talk a while ago, that was a mouthful. Me did just one vent. Thank you for always keeping my company. I can't even remember everything I just said. Alright guys, so that's that. I'm gonna put in the pumpkin last. Now I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. I'm not sure if I did mention too, so the yellow yam this spoil. So I said I don't like that piece of yam there now. When I go to market and they give me that piece, I always tell them say no, I don't want it. But me just take it. Okay, beautiful people, I'm done making dinner. Not because I'm done, but the guest is done. The guests are here, that's it. Well, that's the most it for myself. Yes, I can just go right off. I don't know how guests go. Yeah, gone. Guess done. Anyways, everything else cook, I should think, but I could check it. You see here, cut it in a two. Let's see what I go on with it. Hopefully it boil. It boil, guys. Thank God. Anyways, it's whatever. I'm grateful. Even yeah man. Even if I did the dumpling them alone, but I'm still grateful. And if I did the cabbage alone cook, because I'm gonna eat it with bread. Cook. Test the sweet potato. I'm gonna change the fork, guys, because I did put the fork in my mouth a while ago. From me see all the sweet potato come up, I know say cook. Anyways, I could taste it. Perfect. So now I'm going to sit, have my dinner, and hope so Jason come home. But now I kind of convinced them I come home. Like, I convinced now because at the time, and him would tell me, I say, babe, you know, so I'm going to come or whatever. Him would tell me by now, so I'm not even sweat it no more. He's coming home. So I'm excited. He would have definitely said something already. He would have definitely said something. Alright, so I'm going to share up my dinner. So I'm going to do one dashi, cut that up. One dashi and two dumplings. I'm not going to do a sweet potato. So yeah. So guys, this is dinner.
Morning.
Miss you.
Asking
Miss me ears.
Asking for tea.
Come give me my ears, man.
What happened after me come in here, Bailey, a scramble?
Baby, me don't know. Don't ask me nothing.
So you're like are doing it here.
Yeah, I'm just happy.
Oh, okay. Take up your phone and make people think you're poop.
Oh, my phone vibrate, guys. But yeah, me go jump up just to carry one coconut water for me. Me go drink it. That's good. Baby, want some?
You know that?
You know, don't know about him want some.
Oh, coconut water?
Anyways, guys, I call the guest one. I just call the guest one a while ago, and them say them dep on them way. So now I just wipe it off before them reach. Question: you're supposed to wipe it off before you give it back to them? Because I remember wiping it off and somebody said to me, say, why me I wipe it off? Them I go clean them up after. But I normally just wipe it off. I just feel like it disrespectful to give them back the dirty cylinder. Even though sometimes when we get it, it's extremely dirty. But I don't know. But there. You can't get them back so. Anyways, just like I go and clean it up until them come.